tells us to do. Let's sing loud praise to our King. Come thou almighty King, help us thy name to sing. Sing it out. Come thou almighty King, help us thy name to sing. Help us to praise, Father all glorious, Lord all victorious. Come and reign over us, ancient of days. Come, Holy Comforter, thy sacred witness there in this glad hour. Thou rule almighty, thou rule in every heart, and there from us impart Spirit of. Hold on just a second, Steve. Now, I mentioned in Scripture that it says to sing and to sing loud, but it also says another way to sing, and that is to sing joyfully. If you're joyful in your heart this morning, would you just lift your hand? You're not volunteering for anything, I promise. Okay? Now, if you're joyful in your heart, then would you let your face know? Because you look mad at me, and I didn't do anything. So let's sing this next stanza of this hymn with joy on our faces and in our heart. Let's sing this together. To thee, great one in three, eternal praises be, and ever Lord, thy sovereign majesty, may we in glory sing, and to eternity love and adore. Christ is our firm foundation. Let's continue lifting our praise to Him. How